Estimating rehab costs is one of the biggest challenges for house flipping newbies and even professional house flippers. Repair costs can get expensive, and underestimating repairs can quickly turn what looks to be a profitable flip into a total flop. Now, that's why we've created our Repair Estimator tool, which helps you organize and streamline the estimating process so you can create detailed and accurate estimates and scopes of work for your rehab projects. Here's how it works.
Simply start by selecting an estimate template. Our estimator includes several starter templates that you can use to estimate rehabs by trade category, by room, or even estimate new home builds. Once you load a template, the estimator will load your estimate categories, which will be pre-built with a list of common repair items and unit prices. The estimator essentially acts like a comprehensive checklist that you can use to inspect your property and create a scope of work. As you go through the estimator, simply input your quantities for each repair and adjust the unit prices to fit your local market and specific project needs. Your quantities will then be multiplied by your unit prices to calculate a budget for each of your repairs on the project. Each category also comes pre-built with scope of work notes that provide additional installation and material notes for your contractors. These scope of work notes can be used to create detailed scopes of work for your contractors to help them create accurate bid proposals for your projects. Once you complete your estimate, you can create professional estimate reports and scope of work documents that can be given to your business partners, investors, lenders, and contractors. When you get done creating an estimate, you can save your estimate as a template, which could potentially save you hours creating estimates and scopes of work on your future projects. If you need a better solution for estimating repair costs and creating scopes of work, sign up for Flipper Force today.